Whiskey 5, Whiskey Sierra Sierra AJ1G. No, I can't go out there this time of morning. I got chased out of there right about a year ago during the ARRL 160 contest. Apparently there's a ordinance that says no access down there on Stonington Point after 11 at night and before 6 in the morning. So I've not been over there in the really good time for radio in a long time. Name here is Chris, and well, obviously you know that because you must be looking at my QRZ page. You got a very nice signal here. Whereabouts in Oklahoma? W5WSS AJ1G.
Yeah, okay, Chris. My name's Bob, and yes, I did. As a matter of fact, I picked up the phone across the house there and rolled out because I saw that you were spotted, but I didn't really think you'd still be here. But anyway, I just thought I would come and see what's going on. I am south of Oklahoma City in Blanchard, Oklahoma, with a single vertical. It's a Butternut HF9V, 60 radials and kilowatt hour.
Yeah, you're doing great. You're not really lighting up Europe. I have a G8 SDR, WebSDR. He's got quite a few Kiwi SDRs under that call sign listing. It's very high SNRs, and I use him to monitor propagation in my signal over there. And you're just a little fuzz on the waterfall. About 5.7 over there right now. Let's see if there's anyone else there. They might hear you, though. Just because they're not coming on the SDR doesn't mean anyone else is. Are you a frequent operator on the band here for DX?
Sometimes. I would say infrequent, but I am interested, and of course, Papa Alpha 7 Alpha is easy to hear in Oklahoma with his 37-meter high 2-element Yagi over.
Yeah, there's somebody up on 99 right now who's extremely loud in Europe. I was just going up there to see who that was. Was that him by any chance?
It may have been. That's where he was yesterday.
Yeah, that could be who it is. He's really burning the waterfall over there in the UK. I can just barely hear him here, though. Let's see if there's anyone else around over in Europe. The gray line is right about the English Channel right now. QRZDX, Alpha Juliet 1 Golf and Company, 3796. Calling CQDX, calling CQDX, calling CQDX 80 meters. Here's Alpha Juliet 1 Golf, AJ1G. Alpha Juliet 1 Golf, Stonington, Connecticut, USA. Calling and standing by. Calling CQDX, calling CQDX, calling CQDX 80 meters. Here's Alpha Juliet.